What's up guys, welcome back to another video. I hope the breeze is not killing the guys too much. I forgot to pick up my microphones today, but anyways, we're here at Oak Estate to give you guys another drone update on this development. Guys, I have good news and I have bad news. The bad news is I checked the website before doing this video and everything is saying sold out. Alright, but the good news is I'm here at the development to give you that drone update. A lot of persons have been asking and I'm here to deliver that today. So we're going to jump right into this drone shot to let you guys see all the updates that have taken place since the last time we've been here, which has been a very long time. But nevertheless, we're going to give you this update right now and we're going to jump into it. So remember to like, subscribe, share, leave your comment down below, and I'll catch you on the other side of this drone video. I know you guys are enjoying this video, but I'm not enjoying making it for you right now. Alright? I just had one of the greatest scares. The drone came completely out of the sky and landed in some rubble. I can't tell you exactly what took place, but the good thing is, if you are seeing this video, is all because I was able to retrieve it and it is still in working condition. So guys, as you can see, a lot of work still continues to go on at the development. The person that asked me to see their backyard, I hope that you have seen it from this drone video. It's always a pleasure when we can provide the updates when you guys request it. But as you can see, we're still here. A lot has taken place. The last video we did on this update was right after the hurricane, which we saw absolutely no damage to the development. But for those who are still waiting on your property, I hope this video will be very useful to you, very eye-opening to some. And guys, if you need more information about this development, like I say, I was unable to get it right before this video, but you guys can link Kemtek Development or the sales office for Oak Estate. I'll leave their information in the description below, and you can ask them all the questions that you have. So thank you guys so much for making it ChriSamz Properties for your drone updates, for your property tours. And like always, big up on yourself. Thanks for always making it this channel. Remember to support, remember to like, share, and to subscribe. Leave your comments down below, and I'll definitely catch you guys in another video with more updates at a different development. And if you want more on this development, make sure you subscribe. It does kill me out of today. Oh God. So guys, bless up on yourself, and it's peace out from Chris.